In a world shaped by global finance, where the pulse of money flows through countless institutions and the fate of nations can shift with the tides of international markets, Eritrea stands apart as a striking exception. Here, there is just one bank, the Commercial Bank of Eritrea, state-owned, singular, and central to the country's economic life. Unlike the sprawling networks of private and foreign banks seen elsewhere, Eritrea's financial system is intentionally streamlined. This isn't a historical accident. It's a deliberate pillar of national identity, born from a belief in self-reliance and a deep skepticism of outside influence. The bank's existence is woven into the fabric of Eritrea's post-independence story. For Eritreans, the bank is more than a financial institution. It's a symbol of their hard-won independence, a daily reminder of the sacrifices made to secure sovereignty and the ongoing effort to protect it. The one-bank model shields the economy from international speculation and conditional aid, offering stability in a volatile region. In a world where financial crises can ripple across borders in seconds, Eritrea's approach is a conscious buffer against such shocks. Eritrea's leaders never aim to mimic Western financial systems or open their doors to the unpredictable winds of global capital. Instead, they charted their own course, prioritizing national interests above all else. They built a closed-loop bank to serve state priorities and protect national wealth, ensuring that resources remain within the country and are used to benefit the people directly. This system is about stability, not speculative growth. A quiet harbor in a turbulent global sea. It's a model that values predictability and control over rapid expansion or risky ventures. While other nations chase foreign investment and open their markets to outside interests, Eritrea has walled itself off, directing capital to strategic sectors like infrastructure, agriculture, and public services, and insulating itself from external shocks that could threaten its stability. The Commercial Bank of Eritrea is not just an economic case study. It's a living narrative of a nation's spirit, resilience, and its unyielding quest for true independence, a testament to the power of forging a unique path. To understand Eritrea is to understand this singular financial institution, a heartbeat that echoes the country's values, history, and unwavering commitment to self-determination. Eritrea's economic path was forged in the crucible of a 30-year war for independence, a struggle that bred deep self-reliance and distrust of foreign powers. After independence in 1993, leaders vowed never to be vulnerable to outside agendas or the strings attached to international aid. They saw global financial institutions as new forms of colonialism and rejected integration in favor of control. Self-reliance became the organizing principle, shaping every policy, especially finance. True independence, they believed, required control over currency, capital, and investment. The single, state-controlled bank was the logical outcome, a tool to build the nation on its own terms. For Eritreans, the Commercial Bank is a continuation of the liberation struggle, economic sovereignty as the next frontier. For Eritreans, the Commercial Bank is woven into daily life. Its presence is felt in every corner of the country, from the bustling streets of Asmara to the smallest rural towns. The bank is not just a building or a business. It's a daily companion for families, workers, and entrepreneurs alike. Every savings account, business loan, and remittance flows through its doors. People line up to deposit their hard-earned wages, pay school fees, or send money to loved ones. The bank is a place where dreams are saved for and futures are planned. It's the only place to bank, the only lender, and the sole channel for money from abroad. Whether you're a student, a shopkeeper, or a farmer, the Commercial Bank is the gateway to financial services and often the only option available. The bank manages everything: personal accounts, business loans, government finances, and all international transactions. Its staff handle a wide range of responsibilities, from helping small business owners to managing the country's foreign reserves. This centralization gives the state immense power to align financial activity with national priorities. The government can direct resources where they're needed most, supporting development projects and ensuring stability in the financial system. For small businesses, loans are granted not just for profit, but for contributions to national goals like food security or local manufacturing. Entrepreneurs are encouraged to invest in sectors that benefit the community and the country as a whole. Eritreans abroad support their families and the nation through the bank, including the mandatory 2% tax, a vital source of foreign currency. These remittances help keep the economy afloat and connect the diaspora to their homeland in a meaningful way. While outsiders may see control, many Eritreans see patriotic duty and a tangible link between diaspora and homeland. The bank is a symbol of unity, resilience, and shared purpose, bridging distances and generations. The bank is the financial artery binding the nation together, pulsing with the hopes, ambitions, and collective spirit of Eritrea's people. Eritrea's one bank system is designed for stability, not profit. By centralizing finance, the government shields the economy from global market chaos, speculative bubbles, and predatory lending. The commercial bank tightly manages the nakfa, keeping inflation and currency fluctuations in check. Without private banks borrowing abroad, Eritrea avoids crippling foreign debt and the austerity measures that come with it. The government can set its own budget and invest in national priorities, free from outside pressure. Strategic projects, like infrastructure and agriculture, are funded through the bank, ensuring resources build self-sufficiency. This top-down approach keeps the economy stable and focused on long-term goals. Eritrea's financial model has delivered rare stability in a region plagued by economic turmoil. While neighbors face devaluations and banking crises, Eritrea's economy remains insulated and predictable. The commercial bank acts as a shock absorber, maintaining a stable nakfa and steady prices for basic goods. This predictability is a form of wealth, giving citizens confidence in their savings and daily life. Free from foreign creditors, Eritrea manages its resources for long-term benefit, not quick returns. Decisions about mining, agriculture, and fishing are made for sustainability, not to service debt. This careful stewardship is a moral victory and a source of national pride. Eritreans see their stable currency and clean capital as proof their model works. The absence of foreign banks is seen as strength, not backwardness. Stability here is both economic and psychological, a foundation for resilience and self-respect. The nakfa is more than money, it's a symbol of Eritrea's sovereignty and endurance. Named after a town that withstood siege during the Liberation War, the currency embodies resistance. Introduced in 1997, the nakfa cemented economic autonomy, with its value fixed by the government and all foreign transactions managed by the bank. This shields Eritrea from speculative attacks and wild devaluations that have devastated neighbors. For Eritreans, a non-convertible currency is a shield, not a weakness. The government's defense of the nakfa is seen as protecting the nation's wealth and well-being. The nakfa's story is one of resilience, a collective choice for security over global integration. Its value is measured in pride, not just in dollars. For Almaz, a cafe owner in Asmara, the bank is more than just a place to store money. It's a partner in her daily life. Her deposits and business loan are handled with a personal touch, and the staff know her by name. The process is simple, community-focused, and built on trust. Almaz relies on the bank not only to keep her earnings safe, but also to help her grow her business, hire more staff, and serve her neighborhood. For her, the bank is a symbol of stability and opportunity woven into the fabric of her everyday routine. In the countryside, farmer Behani depends on the bank for seasonal loans, which are carefully structured to support food security and timed with the harvest. The bank's representatives visit rural areas, meeting farmers where they work and understanding their unique needs. These loans help Berhane buy seeds, tools, and fertilizer, ensuring his crops can thrive. When the harvest comes, he repays the bank, and the cycle continues, supporting not just his family, but the entire community's food supply. The bank works closely with government ministries to align lending with national goals, making it an essential part of the agricultural ecosystem. By collaborating with officials, the bank helps direct resources where they're needed most, from supporting new farming initiatives to funding infrastructure projects. This partnership ensures that banking in Eritrea is not just about profit, but but about building a stronger nation. For Fatna, whose son sends money from Germany, the bank is a lifeline. Remittances arrive reliably, supporting families and channeling much-needed foreign currency to the state. The bank's remittance services are a bridge between loved ones separated by distance, allowing families to pay for school fees, healthcare, and daily needs. For many Eritreans, these international transfers are a vital connection to relatives abroad and a source of hope for a better future. These stories show the bank as a practical, supportive presence in every corner of Eritrean life. Whether in the bustling streets of Asmara or the quiet fields of the countryside, the bank is there, helping people manage their money, plan for the future, and weather life's uncertainties. It underwrites entrepreneurs' dreams, sustains the nation's food supply, and connects the diaspora to home. The bank's reach extends far beyond its walls, touching the lives of business owners, farmers, and families with relatives overseas. It's a vital link that keeps the economy moving and communities connected. While lacking the variety and competition of a multi-bank market, the system offers something unique: reliability, a sense of collective purpose, and a focus on serving the public good. People know what to expect, and the bank's consistent presence brings peace of mind. Eritreans see the bank as working for the people, a shared institution on their national journey. It's a place where personal ambitions and national priorities meet, and where every account holder is part of a larger story. The One Bank system is not just about transactions, it's about trust, unity, and a shared vision for the future. The bank stands as a symbol of Eritrean resilience and cooperation. It's the people's bank, inseparable from their story, and a cornerstone of Eritrea's journey toward progress and self-reliance. The Commercial Bank of Eritrea is a living symbol of the nation's spirit, self-reliance, unity, and the will to choose its own path. It's a practical legacy of the liberation struggle, protecting sovereignty won on the battlefield. Every transaction is an act of patriotism, a daily affirmation of independence. The bank embodies Eritrean resilience, withstanding isolation and pressure to conform. Its steadfastness is seen as strength, not stubbornness, a testament to the belief that Eritrea's unique path is the right one for its people. The One Bank system expresses a worldview: community over competition, stability over speculation, sovereignty over integration. It's a choice made deliberately, defended with conviction. To understand the bank is to understand the heart of modern Eritrea, a nation determined to chart its own course. Eritrea's One Bank system is the cornerstone of its experiment in economic sovereignty. Born from struggle, the commercial bank stands as a testament to self-reliance and control. Centralizing finance has brought stability, a shielded currency, and freedom from foreign debt. This independence fosters national pride and careful resource management. The bank is not just a financial tool, but a symbol of Eritrean resilience and unity. As the world faces financial crises, Eritrea's model offers a rare, if controversial, alternative. The Commercial Bank of Eritrea is the embodiment of a nation's hard-won independence, a path of pride, resilience, and self-determination.